Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I'm here at the LeMay Car Museum today because I want to take you on a tour of the Puget Sound BMW CCA 50th anniversary. All right, y'all, here we are, and cars are starting to pile in, which is fantastic, and I want to take you on the tour here today. So this is the Puget Sound BMW CCA 50+2 year anniversary. You know, COVID really messed up those plans. So if you don't know the BMW CCA, they're a fantastic group of enthusiasts, and there are local chapters all over the place, like this Puget Sound one, where I'm a member as well. I've been in the BMW CCA since I was about 14, so it's been a few years. And if you didn't make it today, I wanted to take you on a tour of all the fantastic cars that I have no doubt are going to show up. I already see a couple I really want to show you. So let's get started and I'll take you on the tour. All right, guys, so really cool opportunity here. Got an offer to ride in an M1. What year is this? 81.
81.
Yeah, what do you think about driving this?
It's a fun car.
Yeah? So really got an opportunity to ride in this really quick. I mean, who says no to that, right? So, man, this is amazing. I've never even sat in one of these cars before.
Stereo still works too.
The original Blaupaunt stereo. Oh, this is crazy.
What's the best lap around here?
This is so cool. Yeah. Cheese.
Going for a ride?
Yep.
All right.
Cheese.
Now it's another M1.
There you go. Woo.
This is on the track. It gets, yeah, once you get it going.
Oh, it's surprisingly quick. Woo. Oh my God, I love it. Nice.
Oh, about this, no power steering.
Woo, yeah. Manual steering, I love it. Oh, she sounds good. Yeah. Woo. What's it like to drive?
I feel like I'm a speed racer, dude.
Oh, I love it.
These brakes are meant for the track.
Yep.
How is it?
I love it.
Slow.
Not slow.
Slow.
Yeah.
It's too old for me. Not joking.
I love it. Hey, thank you so much for the ride.
No problem, man.
Just awesome. What a cool experience. Thank you. I'm really grateful. Get an opportunity to ride in an M1. Yes, please. All right, guys, it's been an absolutely fantastic day. There's so many cool cars around here, from an M1. Can you believe we got a ride in an M1? To brand new Zanzibar G82 M4, just absolutely beautiful. Full range of great people, great cars. Make sure to check out the BMW CCA, both nationally and in your area. They're all over the country, and they're filled full of fantastic people that plan amazing events like this. It's too bad you missed it if you did. Hopefully I saw you today if you were here. And please click the like and subscribe on the video. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I'm bringing so much content this year. I've got more to come, and I can't wait to do it. I'll see you on my next video.